The following video will help you clean and descale your Siemens EQ6 Select the program Cleaning and Maintenance and then Calc and Clean on the display. Touch OK to confirm. Press the Start/Stop button to start the program. Each program phase will be shown on the display. First, empty and reinsert the drip tray. Open the ground coffee drawer on the right side. Place one Siemens cleaning tablet inside the drawer and close it. Press the Start/Stop button to start the program. Empty the water tank and remove the filter. Put the tank back into the appliance and press Start/Stop. Pour in half a liter of lukewarm water. And drop in one Siemens descaling tablet, allowing it to dissolve completely. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm. Place a container with a capacity of at least 1 liter under the outlet. Place the end of the suction pipe into the container and press the Start/Stop button. Once the descaling program has finished, thoroughly rinse out the water tank. Reinsert the filter. And fill the tank with fresh water up to the max mark. After reinserting the tank, press the Start/Stop button one last time. The cleaning program is complete. Empty the drip tray once more. Your appliance is ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.